facts in just a minute, but we've got Jim on the line. Hello, Jim. Welcome to the David Carrier Show.
Good morning, David. You are sounding fantastic over the airwaves, by the way.
Thank you.
My wife and I, we will be shortly listing our house for sale. And before we've even listed it, we're having word of mouth, people already approaching us.
Right, sure.
What are the pros and cons versus selling it yourself versus using a realtor, cost, hassle, all that kind of good stuff?
Yeah, it's not really that hard. We do our for sale by owner package. There are ways to do it. In a tough market, right? Some of the techniques that we employ in the FSBO, for sale by owner package, are really important, really necessary in this kind of market where you're experiencing it. People, oh, you're going to sell? Great. The thing is with friends, though, who say they want to buy your house, I've been at this for a while. I've never seen one of those come through. People are always like, oh, be sure to call us if you're going to sell. Be sure to call us. If you call them, then it's like, well, give it to me for free. Oh, it's not for free? Oh, I don't want it then. I mean, but that's fine. You can still do the for sale by owner. And what we do is put together the buy-sell agreement, and it works best in a market like this because you don't have to do a lot of marketing, but you decide on a price, and the price is dependent on what have houses in the neighborhood, similar houses, go for. And getting an appraisal is not a bad idea. Not a great idea necessarily, but not a bad idea. Get the appraisal and add 20% to it, see what happens. Kind of my attitude. But what we would do is we put together the buy-sell agreement, the lead paint hazard disclosure, the seller's disclosure statement, do all that stuff so that when people come in your house, right, it's not a matter of, see, this is why for sale by owner don't typically sell. 90% of them, 95% don't sell. And you eventually have to go to a realtor. And it's because there's no strategy on how to get the thing sold. Because what happens is somebody comes in your house, they love it, they want to buy it, they call their brother-in-law who's a real estate agent who says, oh, you don't want to do one of those for sale by owner things. Those are dangerous and all the rest. Here, look at my other listings. Okay, that's what happens with these things. But if you're ready for it, okay, if you're prepped for it, then you're fine. And 90% of ours actually sell, 90+%. So there's a way to do it. And I wouldn't, and in a market like this, why not?
Is this a pack of information that can be readily picked up from you, or do we need to make an appointment to pick up? Is this a brochure that you have?
No, what it is. Come on in. We'll sit down and talk to you. We'll lay out, here's what we do. Here's what we charge for it. We do it on a fixed fee basis. And then based on what's going on in your place, we'll produce the documents so that when people come in, you've got the documents right there ready to sign. You want to buy the house? Here's the terms we're selling it on. Okay. We don't negotiate. There's no negotiation. Okay. It's like, it's a fair price. Here are the terms. If you want to buy it, great. If you don't, there are 3 more people in line who want to sign my contract. And it's different contract. See, the realtor contract it sort of splits things down the middle. It's not really it's not a seller's contract, so to speak. It's a get the deal done contract because it's done by the realtors. And that's what their main concern is. Get the deal done. That's when they get their commission. We take a different attitude. We're very much a seller-focused, pro-seller agreement. All right, because I don't want somebody playing games with you for the next 6 months, getting their financing and then screwing up their financing and nitpicking. Oh, I don't like the color. I'm getting out of it 2 months later. No. The contract is written to be pro-seller, so it's enforceable and it'll really work for you. It's a very different attitude, I think. And that's reflected in the buy-sell agreement that we do. But the way to get started on it is give us a call at the office, set up an appointment, come on in. We'll lay it out for you. Maybe you're comfortable doing it, maybe you're not. But if you want to, hey, save 6%. right? 6% off the top. Why not? So, I'm a
Fantastic. Thank you so much and, for the great job you do. Really appreciate it.
thank you, Jim. I look forward to seeing you.